Good day, everyone. Welcome to this special segment, Tuesdays with Momshie Roxan. I will be giving you some refreshers in English grammar. When do you say that the statement is ungrammatical? Yes, when the statement does not go with the rules or standards. We start off with grammatical errors in subject-verb agreement. Well, I will not teach you every single rule there is in subject-verb agreement. I have identified the common errors and the most tricky subject-verb agreement rules from my experiences as a language teacher. Alright, we get it, that the very thing you always have to remember in subject-verb agreement is the first rule. When the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular, and for compound subjects, we use plural verbs. And yet, we get confused on which one is singular or plural verb. Basic things to remember: for regular nouns, we add s to form their plural. But for verbs, we add s to form their singular. The owner and manager of the restaurant are approachable. 7 out of 10 of my second language learners will most likely answer are because they think that the subject is plural. The rule says if the subject consists of 2 nouns and each of these is preceded by the article the verb must be plural. But if the second noun is not preceded by the verb must be singular. The owner and the manager of the restaurant are Ilocanos. It means the sentence talks about 2 persons. In short, for the previous sentence, the owner and manager of the restaurant are approachable. The answer is... Yes, you're right. The answer is. The owner and manager of the restaurant is approachable. The owner and manager is the same person. Let's try another sentence. The CEO and the coach are preparing for the games. What is your answer? Yes, the answer is are. We have 2 subjects in the sentence, the CEO and the coach. Another sentence. The singer and actress seem very excited about this project. What is your answer? Yes, you're right again. The answer is seems. The singer and actress is the same person. Since we are already talking about whether or not the subject is singular or plural, why don't we study another case of common mistakes in subject-verb agreement? The compound subjects. Each boy and girl are receiving wonderful presents on Christmas. Yes, the answer is. The rule says compound subjects are joined by and, but if the compound subject is considered as one unit or is modified by each and every, it will take a singular verb. Like the famous statement, bread and butter is good for breakfast. Coffee and cream is my choice for the morning. Let's try this. Every man and woman in the assembly appear very nervous. What is your answer? Appears. The presence of every in the compound subject tells us that we have to make use of the singular form of the verb. You may catch me every Tuesday in the official page of Ignatian Academic Center. Every Tuesday at 8 o'clock in the evening, or in my YouTube channel, Momshie Roxan. If you're interested in topics on basic English grammar, second language teaching, technical writing, effective writing, and linguistics, please subscribe to my channel. For short refreshers on various English topics, follow this official page, Ignatian Academic Center, on Facebook. Don't forget to like and share. Goodbye!